Hello children, in this lesson you are going to learn how to use option buttons. These buttons used only as a group of buttons. When the user selects one of them, the others are deselected automatically. Now insert an option button and see. Can insert like this. Insert two more buttons. Design form with three option buttons, red, green and blue. For that, change the option button caption. First option button is red. Then you can change option button caption as red. Second one, you can select blue. And the third one, green. Now change the option button name. Select the option button red. The prefix is OPT red. Next one blue. OPT blue. Next, OPT green. Now we are going to use these option buttons to change the form color. Now start to write codes. Double click on the option button red. Type the form name. Form name is form 1. You can type form 1 dot the back color. Then you can select back color equal to VB red. Now run and see the program. Now red color. The selected option button. Like that you can write to blue color also. Blue option button. You can copy and paste, or else you can type, copy and paste. Then this one will be blue. Now run and see. Select blue, red. Next one, green color. That one also copy and paste. Select green. Select the red. And type green. Now run and see. You can see this form in the middle. Then run. Red already selected, blue, green. This is the option button. You can run and check one by one. Okay children, you can practice this option button with your desired color. Good luck children.